So here we are, we're going to be block sanding the box, the old project, short box. Because in past, huh?
How would you think this would work?
We're going to put them on the wall so that way we can hang the guns on the wall. We're going to put the gun after we spray the primer. It's called a cheap Harbor Freight primer gun. We're actually going to do the primer in here and not take it to the body shop for that part. So. We're gonna screw it, and then this will screw to the wall, and then that'll sit on there, so then the gun can just sit in there, and then the part will go on there.
Yeah. Like, it can sit right here.
Right. Look at it. And we're gonna get this sanded. And we're really trying to accomplish just getting where you can see it's shinier. We're trying to knock that off so this new primer will stick to it. But other than that, that's really all we're trying to accomplish on this sanding right here. Is just get all the shine knocked off it, so the filler primer will do its job in here. Yeah, what am I? Should we wipe it down or what? They said all we should do is just knock the shine off, that's it.
Blow it off
And then to see if there's any shine left on this side. I'll just start on this side then. Over here. Huh? Yeah. Alright, so now we've actually recoated it with the proper primer. Got it guide coated. Do the project yourself. The primer is going to use a filler primer, so that way you can get the imperfections out. Which what every time we sanded, it was just sanding right off. So. Now today we'll be wet sanding it. Get it all wet sanded down. There'll be this and the hood will be prepped, and then obviously the truck that's parked outside, back inside for now, and then we'll get that ready to go, and then we'll paint all at the same time. But here we'll do some of the video of us wet sanding this, and learn something along with me too. Yeah, so where stuff we're at, which should turn out fairly good. And we're not looking for perfect, but looking for better than, I don't know what you'd say. I mean, just want it to look good. Ain't gonna be like showroom perfect, every little nook and cranny, but it's definitely gonna look good. I mean, especially like this side because it has a brand new box side, but that side had we did a little bit of work too. And at the end of the day, this is still a budget project truck. And just seeing, how nice is something that you can have for cheap, build something cheap and still have something nice. So anyways, I'm gonna get some water, a spray bottle, because the bottle has nothing in it, and then I'm gonna start wet sanding. there we go after the wet sanding. So we're gonna do a little bit over. I'm just gonna try to get every little black speck, every little crevice. Feels super smooth on this side. You'll see, I mean, definitely should turn out pretty good. I mean, where we did have a spot right here, you can actually see how the grade's a little different shade, because it's filled up a little better. And then this side's turned out really good, but that's a brand new box side, so yeah, I'm gonna keep sanding on her, and then we'll do the hood after that. And we'll get the truck back in here, because lovely Michigan. It's supposed to snow tonight, it's gonna be nice all day, so anyways, I'm gonna keep plugging away at it. But as you can see, it's definitely turned out good. Alright, so there we go. This side completely done. As soon as I touched any paint or got lighter, I quit. That's it. On this side. So I'm going to touch up back on this side a little bit. Just because this side had more body work and it's just got a few spots. Actually, just a couple, like right there. I don't know if you can see it, you know, wherever I got black at, I gotta get that out of. But man, it's so crazy how smooth it feels. So we'll do that, and then we'll do the hood next, and then we'll try to get the truck back in here, get that fired up, and after that, try to end this video. That's all our goal is to get this cut and that prepped. So get the box and stuttering. The hood. No line. Anyways, gonna do that, and then we'll come back out, finish the hood up, and we'll go from there. And then hopefully we'll get the rest of the truck done. But I don't know, when we finish the video, we'll go on about what our next plans are and how we're gonna finish up. But for right now, that's just what we're gonna do. Finish the side sanding, just doing all the little touch-up spots, wash it down, and I'm about to get someone here to help me slide this thing back, and then so I got room to pull the truck into here at least. It's supposed to snow tonight, so. Alright, so we're starting the hood, which should be pretty simple. I mean, hood was brand new, just like this box side was a lot easier than that box side, so this should be pretty quick to knock this out. Let's do it as a time lapse, and then we're moving the project truck over, and we'll end this video. So anyways, GoPro died on us. We're trying to wrap this video up, but we have I can't remember where I was at, but tired. But yeah, so we'll end up getting this truck done. So we're gonna start in charger, but obviously we'll have a few more videos on this. But then but I'm gonna be doing a video tonight. That's why I'm kind of trying to get out of here quick, because I want to get a video up of when we took a truck out and smashed it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. It's not going to be edited real well. It's going to be some raw footage just to get something out, so I can keep getting videos out. But then we'll just keep working on this project, and we'll go from there. So if you like content, then please give it a big thumbs up. Let's subscribe and turn your notifications on, and we'll go from there. See you next video.